Ever felt like your design in Canva looks almost perfect but needs just a tiny adjustment? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge elements in Canva, a simple but powerful technique that helps you fine-tune your layout with precision. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to polish your design skills, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you're already signed in, great, you can jump right in. Otherwise, click the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. You can sign in using Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you're in, open up an existing design or start a new one. If you're new to Canva, you can pick from one of the ready-made templates to get started. But today, our focus is on moving elements with precision. No more dragging and guessing. With your design open, click on the element you want to adjust. This could be a text box, a photo, a shape, or any graphic. When you select it, you'll see a bounding box appear that tells you the element is active and ready to move. Now, here's where the magic happens. Use your arrow keys on the keyboard, up, down, left, or right, to nudge your selected element slightly in that direction. Each tap moves it just a few pixels, giving you super precise control over placement. This is perfect when you want to align text perfectly or center elements by eye without disrupting your whole layout. Want to move faster? Hold down the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys. This moves the element in larger steps, helping you make quick adjustments when you need to reposition something across the canvas or align it more broadly. These subtle movements might not seem like much, but they make a huge difference in achieving clean, professional-looking designs. And that's it. You now know how to nudge elements in Canva, one of the most underrated tools for achieving pixel-perfect results. Keep practicing this technique and it'll soon become second nature. The more you work with precise movements, the more confident and efficient you'll become when fine-tuning your creative projects. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Canva tips to help you design like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy creating.